A regular octagon ABCDEFGH has a side length of 6 meters. Then the area in square centimeter of the square ACEG will be what? So we will have to look at trying to form an octagon first. So let me try my hand at drawing an octagon. So if you look at trying to draw an octagon, this is how your octagon is going to look like. So let's quickly finish this off. Now this becomes your octagon. Okay. And this is a regular octagon of side 6 each. So we are looking at naming it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. All right. Now, then the area in square centimeter of the square ACEG. So if you look at ACEG is what they're looking at. So this is the square that they're trying to find out. Right. Now, the exterior angle of a regular polygon is given by 360 divided by 8. So 360 divided by n, and in this case, it is an octagon. So if you divide this, it will turn out to be 45 degrees. So if the exterior angle is 45 degrees, 180 minus 45 is going to give you 135 degrees of an interior angle. So each of the interior angles will turn out to be 135. Now, effectively, if I'm able to find out the side of the square, I'll be able to answer this problem. Now, this particular angle turns out to be 135 degrees. This side turns out to be 6, and this side turns out to be 6. That's what the question is talking about. Now, if you look at this, I need to find out this length. Suppose this is x. So now, if I look at my cosine rule, what does the cosine rule says? It says that x square should be equals to ab square plus of bc square plus of bc square minus of 2ab into bc into cos of 135. Now we need the value of x square effectively because we are looking at the area. So if I'm able to solve this equation, I should be able to answer the problem. Now AB is 6 units, BC is also 6 units. So if you look at this, this is going to be 36 plus of 36 minus of 2 times of 6 into 6 again. So that is also giving me a 36 and cos 135. Cos 135 is effectively going to be cos 90 plus 45. Cos 90 plus theta is minus of sine theta. So this minus then becomes, this minus over here then becomes plus, and it becomes sine of 45 degrees, right? So this is going to then give me what? 72 plus of 72 times of sine 45, which is 1 by root over of 2. So if you take 72 common, it is going to be 1 plus 1 by root 2, which turns out to be root 2 plus 1 by a root 2. So if I wish to cancel a root 2, it is going to be 36 times of root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Take this root 2 inside the bracket and you are going to get 36 times of 2 plus of root 2, which is where you'll find your option C as the answer to this question.